everyone, it's your girl Ashley and I am back with another video. This time it's going to be a Mother's Day inspired hairstyle with Pure Naturals coconut and honey line. I'm super excited to show you guys how I achieved this amazing twist out, you guys. I'm super excited to show you, and we're just going to get right into it. You guys, make sure to like and subscribe to this video, comment, let me know that you like it, if you don't like it, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're just going to get right into it, so make sure you guys continue to watch if you want to know how I achieved this amazing twist out using Pure Naturals coconut and honey line. So I started out on an old wash and go. As you guys can see, my hair is dry, dirty, and way overdue. So I pulled out their shampoo from the coconut and pure honey line. One of the amazing things about this shampoo is that it actually makes your hair super soft. Now, I didn't pre-poo before I shampoo, which is something that I usually do. So I was a little nervous. I didn't know how it was going to affect my hair, but it made my hair, as you can see, I had some bobby pins lingering in there, but it made my hair super soft. It lathered and it smelled amazing. So I loved this shampoo. As y'all could see, my scalp was super dirty, so I had to make sure that I was really getting in there and cleaning my scalp. So I am back with freshly washed hair. Like I told you guys, it made my hair super soft, and I'm so excited that I found a shampoo that I don't necessarily have to pre-poo with. I don't have to worry about too much moisture being stripped as I am cleansing my scalp. So even though, like I said, a lot of moisture wasn't stripped, I still want to make sure that my curls get that extra ounce of moisture, especially during the summertime. So I'm using their moisture mask to give my curls that extra boost. Whenever I apply mask, I make sure that I put a good amount, over a quarter size. I really want to work it in my curls and make sure that it's evenly distributed, and I do that by using a wide tooth comb, and this helps with detangling my curls as well. So as you can see, I'm making sure my hair is detangled and the product is evenly distributed. And after I do that, I'm going to take that section and twist. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because you are just using this as a deep condition, but I'm going to do this all over my head. Have applied the product and twist all over your hair, you are going to apply a shower cap and let the moisture mask sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so it penetrates all those curls. So after you wash out the hair moisture mask, as you guys can see, my hair is vibrant, moisturized, and soft, and I haven't even applied the product yet. So next I'm going to separate my hair to make it easier to put my hair into these twists, and I'm going to apply their butter cream. And I love this cream because not only is it thick, which is what I need with my type of hair. My hair is super thick and it needs a lot of moisture, but it doesn't weigh your hair down, and it makes your hair super moisturized and shiny. So I'm just going to take some of that cream and apply it through my hair as I'm smoothing it down and detangling my hair. Then next, I'm going to take some of their oil spray, and I love this oil spray because it goes directly onto your hair. You don't have to worry about it spilling anywhere or anything like that. So it's super convenient in terms of trying to actually style your hair. And I'm going to spread all that through all the way to the ends of my hair. And next I'm going to take some of the curl defining gel and apply that through my hair as well, so that our twists are super defined and they last a really long time. So I'm going to be smoothing that through, and then next I'm just going to twist. It's super simple. I don't like to make my twist too neat because I don't like to have defined lines when I'm taking them out and fluffing, but I do like to make sure my twists are about medium size in terms of how they look, how chunky they are, etc. And so you're just going to twist all the way to the ends. Like I said, you guys, I love twist outs because it's super simple. It doesn't take too long and anyone can do it. And that is the final product. And now I'm just going to do those twists all over my head.
beautiful. Selling a dream, smoking mirrors keep us waiting.
These are the results of my twist. They're super juicy and moisturized, and all you're going to do is just let your twist dry overnight, and then we are going to separate and fluff in the morning. I'll see you guys in the morning. It's the next day, and we're going to be using some of the Shea Oil Styling Serum to spray in our hands so that we do not cause any frizz as we are unraveling and fluffing your twists. Now, one of the most important things that I tell people when you're trying to achieve an amazing twist out is to take your time when you are unraveling and fluffing your twists. You do not want your nails or anything like that to snag your hair, and that's another reason why the oil is important. It kind of helps with that frizz. So as you see, I am unraveling the twist, and we're just going to continue to unravel until we achieve the desired volume that we want. This last bit of unraveling and fluffing, we are done. Look at those results. My hair is super defined and moisturized. Ooh, I'm just in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe on this video and stay tuned for more hair videos. Thanks guys. Love y'all.